quote from Rabindranath Tagore, where he says, "Don't limit a child to your own learning, for he was born in another time." Thank you. Today is the auspicious day when we are celebrating the annual council of Olivia Kids. The name goes Rainbow.
Dear kids, I extend my warm welcome and an evening filled with pleasure and delight. I'm your host, Jayashree, for today's grand annual concert of Olivia Kids as we celebrate the event. We are happy and privileged to celebrate the event which has a special theme tonight, Rainbow. Rainbow, the display of different colors, the vibrancy and the excitement in colors are our children, the colors of our life. The school was established in the year 2005 and within a very short span of time risen high in its pursuit of excellence. From Montessori education to high school, the school caters to the children's progress through their various stages of development. We prepare and inspire our children for tomorrow to become distinctive global leaders in the field they aspire. With the history of Olivia, our heart yearns to take the name of Dennis Kindosa, whose sad and sudden demise has left us in grief. His support, encouragement to build the vision of the school to a greater height will always be carried on lovingly with fond memories. I take the privilege to invite Mr. Tapon Das to come upon stage and take the honor. The OC of Bidhannagar IC. To invite upon Mr. Bishwajit Nandi, but I suppose he has not arrived yet. I take the honor to invite upon Mr. Sujoy Majumdar to come upon stage and take the honor. The Pradhan of Bidhannagar GP2. May I invite upon Mr. Chitra Mohan Shingho to come upon stage and accept our token of gratitude and thankfulness. The headmaster of Saidabari Primary School. I take the honor to invite upon Mr. Raju Nandi to come on stage and accept a token of love and appreciation. The Secretary of Bagdogra Sister Nivedita School. I take the honor to invite upon Mr. Mintu Mojumdar to come on stage and take the honor. A social worker. May I call upon Mr. Sibesh Bhomik to come on stage and take the honor as a mark of appreciation. A prominent social worker. A huge round of applause with clappings for all the distinguished guests present here for this gracious evening, finding time for us. Thank you so much, sir. May you all be seated, please. Lamp and offering flowers to him. To do the ceremonial performances, I will take the opportunity to call upon all the distinguished guests, Chairman Sir and Director Ma'am, to offer flowers and light the lamp one by one. Fabulous looking at them, all the princes. I can see smiles on the face of their mothers. So let's see how they present the alphabets, singing and dancing in their own way. So here we are with our nursery children of Olivia Kids, presenting an action song, making you feel happy of your presence here.
We are happy children. We are children. cheer for them, everyone. I like to have a huge round of applause for all the kids out there. They are welcoming you, parents. So please appreciate their program. Please, everyone, cheer up.
On this happy day, we are 7 children. We are happy children. We are to welcome all of you. We are to welcome all of you. We are to welcome all of you.
It was simply fantastic watching you, welcoming with all your smiles. Now, I would like to call upon the director of Olivia Kids School, Mrs. Sutapa Nandi, to come on stage and give her valuable words of wisdom and knowledge. A very good evening to everyone present here. I have great pleasure in this wonderful evening in welcoming our guests, Mr. Tapan Das, OC Bidhannagar IC, Mr. Shujay Majumdar, Pradhan Bidhannagar GP2, Mr. Chitramohan Shingho, Headmaster of Saidabad Primary School, Mr. Mintu Majumdar, a renowned social worker in our locality, Mr. Sibesh Bhomik, another renowned social worker of our locality, who have kindly consented to be a part of this annual concert. I also extend my hearty welcome to other distinguished guests and parents who also consented amidst their tight schedule to share every moment of this wonderful program. In today's celebration, our main heroes are the toddlers of Olivia family. So I welcome them and their parents too, along with other ladies and gentlemen. The journey with these little kids so far has been very exciting, and our staffs put their best efforts to find out their hidden talents of each and every student. It is very important to boost up the confidence level of the students so that issues such as stage fear, introversy, and lack of language command is totally eradicated from an early age. Our staffs of Olivia Kids are well qualified, experienced, sincere, and always determined to handle the children with utmost love, care, and affection. They always try to make the children feel at home so that they are comfortable in interacting with them. I believe through education, one should contribute to bring about peace and build up a strong brotherhood. Students should always have positive thinking and at the same time develop their critical thinking skills. We aim at encouraging students to be achievers in all spheres of their life. The efforts of the school have already become distinct and duly recognized. This ceremony is a testimony to their contribution in designing and implementing the talents and bringing the best out of them. As we celebrate the annual concert, I'm heartened to note that Olivia Kids have risen to this challenge and have heeded the call to be the gardener of their own destiny. We have sown the seeds of our own aspirations, worked tirelessly to nurture them so that we can harvest the fruits of our dreams and enjoy the flowers of our success. Simple pleasures that life has bestowed with. Lastly, I want to say my words today are rose petals that I sprinkled with fragrance to invite everyone with warm greeting. Thank you very much, and a huge round of applause I want for my small kids. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's move with a different color. The vibrancy, the rocking, the thrill, and the excitement. In the performance of the Hindi mashups, we have the Kolavari tea, Tukur Tukur, Baby Ko Bass Pasand Hai, and Sorry Sorry. Parents, get your eyes on a fix as you see the rocking dance performance.
Yo, boys, I am singing song. Soup song. Flop song. Why they Kolavari, Kolavari, Kolavari tea? Why they Kolavari, Kolavari, Kolavari tea? Rhythm correct? Why this Kolavari, Kolavari, Kolavari tea? Maintain this. Why this Kolavari a tea? Discussla moon color white background night color black. White skin girl heart black. Ice meet my future dark. Why this Kolavari, Kolavari, Kolavari tea? Why this Kolavari, Kolavari, Kolavari tea?
चला के इंग्लिश के जो डाले देसी डाले क्योंकि बेबी को बेस पसंद है। मेरे दिल को बहाए बेबी तेरा फ्लो मुझे मिलती है हाय जब नजदी गुलो हाथ लगती है हाय गर्ल होठ लगती है हाय गर्ल मेरे दिल को बहाए बेबी तेरा फ्लो मुझे मिलती है हाय जब नजदी गुलो हाथ लगती है हाय गर्ल होठ लगती है हाय गर्ल
इसको दीवानी फायर इन द पानी परफेक्ट प्रपोर्शन में पाई है जवानी बेबी फ्लोर की हीट बढ़ानी सुन मेरी रानी प्लीज कर मेहरबानी आजा कर गाड़े बीट पे बूटी पे बूटी पे बूटी तेरे गाड़े बीट पे बूटी पे बूटी पे बूटी
That was awesome. That was heart-throbbing, isn't it? This is Prashant.
We welcome you to this evening to the annual gathering of Olivia Kids. Can we have a huge round of applause for that?
We would like to welcome you once again from the bottom of our heart. On behalf of entire Olivia family, we welcome you again. Ma'am, aren't you feeling the turbulence out here?
Oh my God, it was such a thrilling and euphoric performance.
Really, ma'am, my heartbeats have gone up. And everyone out there seems to be eager to sing into the depth of music, song, light and dance. What do you think, ma'am?
Of course it was. Aren't you all enjoying over there? Seeing your kids dancing for you?
Yes, ma'am, you're absolutely right. Tonight,
Can we have a clap?
we all will have the rainbow of beautiful and heart-touching performances prepared under the able stewardship of our able teachers.
You know what I think, sir? We are going to have some budding dancing superstars from our school. The parents need to encourage them for that.
Yes, ma'am, you're absolutely right. We are having so many programs tonight, but where is our another partner in crime? Do you see anywhere, huh?
Hello? Is hiding somewhere there in the crowd. But don't you worry, I'm sure you'll have a lovely time over there. Miss Kursi, can I now call you out to join us here? Hello, ma'am. I'm here among the lovely audience for the evening. You know something? A thought comes to me just now. Music is in the ear of one who hears, as beauty is in the eyes of him who says. I'm simply enjoying the concert Rainbow.
So, would you like to join us here for the night?
Well, I think I'm pretty enjoying the ambience out here.
why not carry on with the program?
You know. Tonight we're having one surprise also.
What surprise are you talking about?
No. I'm not going to let it. You know now. Let it be surprise. You have to wait.
Khushbu, do you know anything about the surprise?
Are you kidding me? Surprise? What surprise are you talking about?
He says we have some surprise for the parents here.
I need to know that surprise, sir.
No, sorry. I'm not going to let it out now. So let's move on to our next performance.
Cleanliness should come out from one's heart. It should start from the families at home, manifesting itself into a clean and a healthy society. With this idea in our mind, we now present to you an act of cleanliness performed by our little stars from the school. Please put your hands together for the little stars who are going to give you an advice how to keep the society clean. Can I have a round of applause for that?
Thierry, you know that child psychology? They do many things. They have many things in their hearts. They take it out in the bits of paper. But we as the guardian should tell them the papers are not to be wasted. It is to be preserved.
Bits of paper lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, pick them up. What to do, father? Where to throw? Come, child, come, child, throw it in the bin, to keep your area neat and clean, use dustbin. Yes, we should always throw the waste in the dustbin to keep our surroundings clean.
I've seen that we should instruct our children not to waste paper and make our surroundings clean and tidy. On to the move. Rainbow. Now we have the felicitation of the responsible public servants of our society. Our society is embedded with people of all categories who help and support in the different aspects and in different spheres of life. We are indebted to them for their contribution. We take this opportunity to honor them with a small token of love and appreciation. Here we have from the Health Center a prominent personality. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your contribution to the society. Those who helped in our school, the school engineers, Mr. Arindam Sanyal and Mr. Shishir Das. Please accept our token of love and appreciation in the way of a memento and a bouquet.
Can we have a round of applause?
The builders, Mr. Shamol Mondo, Mr. Mr. Dilip Roy, and Mr. Suresh Gupta.
I request huge clapping for them, please.
Please, the clapping should go on.
Yes,
Everyone.
They silently work to develop our society, so clapping should not stop. Please, audience.
School transport dealer, Shubhadeep Khatak. He is unable to arrive yet. Very soon, we will also felicitate our police staff who has been working round the clock to maintain discipline in the society. ICICI Bank Manager, Mr. Niloy Sanya.
Please applaud.
ICICI Bank people, we are delighted to have you and giving the best of bank service possibilities to Olivia. And we expect your cooperation always. Thank you, sir, and thank you, sir and ma'am, for doing the honor. We also thank the renowned publishing houses who are present here for the service to the school. Papas and mummies, there is only one happiness in this life, to be loved and to be loved. Love is when other person's happiness is more important than your own. For a child, her mother is the most beautiful and the best. For a child, her or his father is a great man because they give all their love to their parents. They do not know anything but
तू कितनी अच्छी है
কিছু রয়েছে। There is something special for you as well. In the meantime, while your daughters get ready to perform for you, why not cheer them up with a huge round of applause? Tali থামবে না।
सागर ने पूछा नैया से, नैया ने पूछा कि मैया से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, मेरे पापा। चन्ना ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, तेरे पापा, पापा, तेरे पापा।
One song. ये तो सच है कि भगवान है, ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। धरती पर रूप माँ बाप का उस विधाता का पहचान है। Yes, really, the parents are our gods. We should respect them. And these kids, whatever they perform, it was entirely for the parents. So parents, please have a huge round of applause for your kids. I'm really missing my childhood. Aren't you missing, ma'am?
I am feeling so nostalgic. I'm missing my childhood days, my stage performances.
Okay, on that note, let me ask you one question. Though it's a silly question,
Yes.
but still I want to ask you. Do you love your parents?
Of course I love them, and I love them more than anything else in the world.
Okay then, please tell me, whom do you love more, mom or dad?
Well, I like to call myself my daddy's little princess.
Oh, so your dad is princess.
And you are your mama's mama's boy, I guess.
Oh yes, I am, and proudly so. But what about Ma'am Khushbu? Let's talk to her also.
So, Ma'am Khushbu, whose princess are you?
I'm lucky than both of you. You know why? I'm Mama's little girl and Daddy's little princess.
Okay, you daddy's princess. Please tell me, are you enjoying out there?
Yes, sir, really. I'm enjoying the concert Rainbow. There is one very apt saying which says, dancing with the feet is one thing, but dancing in the heart is something else. And this is exactly what we witnessed in this concert today. There were fabulous performances which stole our heart away.
What about the parents? Are they enjoying?
Let us hear from the parents now. How are you enjoying?
Yes, the parents here are very much excited to see the children performing. Let me talk to... Okay, so we are here, ma'am and sir. They are the parents of Ryan Roy. Yes, ma'am? Yes. Okay, so your good name, please, sir? Rajat Rai. So we have Mr. Rajat Rai.
Let's have a
here.
huge round for the
Sir, could
parents
you
out
please
there.
stand up?
Please, sir. सर जब मैं छोटी थी मेरे पापा हमेशा मेरे लिए राइम्स गाते थे क्या आप भी अपने बच्चे के लिए राइम्स गाते हैं
हाँ.
अच्छा मेरा फेवरेट जानते हैं आप सब कौन सा है जॉनी जॉनी यस पापा सर आपको पता है ये राइम गा सकते हैं प्लीज प्लीज सर रिक्वेस्ट
Yes, sir, please, we would like to
I'll
hear.
sing with you I'll sing with you we all will sing
Please clap.
Johnny Johnny eating sugar no papa that is really sweet sir thank you very much
That was Ryan's dad completely supporting us, and
yes really
let's have a huge round of applause for
really
Ryan's dad.
huge round of applause for sir
Is there anyone else, ma'am?
I'll definitely go to some other parents here. Let me talk to ma'am here. Your name please ma'am. आपका नाम? Okay ma'am. आप राइम्स गाती हैं बच्चों के लिए? कौन सा वाली आपकी फेवरेट है? Twinkle twinkle. Okay, twinkle twinkle. So crowd, can we sing twinkle twinkle today? Yes, I think yes. Twinkle twinkle. Little star. How I wonder. उसके बाद मुझे नहीं आता अब मैं तो कभी गाता है
Also, hi.
like a diamond in the sky wow thank you ma'am thank you it was really pleasing talking to you so that was my lovely audience sitting here before we move I just like to say something sir and stop you there life is like a novel it fills with suspense you have no idea what is going to happen until you turn the page. So I want you, sir, to turn the page and reveal the secret for us.
Of course, Khushbu, your demand will be completed. We will now proceed.
Well, that was really interesting. So on to the move to the rainbow. May I have the honor and request the pleasure of having the principal of Olivia Kids, Miss Sunita Rai, to come on stage and speak a few lines of virtue and wisdom.
A very good evening to all the distinguished guests, the chairman of Olivia and Legend English School, director ma'am of Olivia Kids, principal, teachers, my respected parents and my dear students. I take this opportunity to convey you all a warmest welcome in this annual concert today. We are indeed grateful that you have taken out your precious time from your busy schedule to be with us this evening. We feel very greatly honored by your presence, and I can assure you that your presence here this evening motivation and encouragement to the entire school. Olivia Kids is a zone of tender care unit where the toddlers from the age 3 receives their elementary education from very responsible, talented and lovable teachers. Dedication is a commitment to one's goal and it requires a strong sense of purpose. That is something we value at Olivia. The main motto of our school is to provide high standard of education to children of all communities and endeavor to make the children keen not only in studies but also in co-curricular activities. We believe in providing prompt and personal attention to our students at every step. We also believe play is our brain's favorite way of learning. Accordingly, our curricular and inquiry approach are learner-centric. The various activities are designed based on multiple intelligence, Montessori and play-way method which provide holistic development of a child. The journey with the students so far is very exciting and our educators always put their best effort to guide and help in showcasing the hidden qualities of each and every student so that they have stage confidence and socializing with others. It is very important to enhance the confidence level of the student at an early age. Children are our tomorrow, our future. Bright faces that I can see here today, evincing their talent, will be the citizen of tomorrow. What our children are going to be in future is what we make them today. Talents they demonstrate here are the proof that they have the potentiality to be a useful citizen of India. Our staff of Olivia Kids being trained, sincere and always dedicated to handle the children with utmost love and affection and make the children feel at home so that they are comfortable in learning environment. Not only the staff member of Olivia Kids, but also the parents of individual students are very responsible and cooperative who pursue their parenting role very seriously. We are aware of great trust you have and it will be our constant endeavor to live up to your cooperation for us. At the end, I would like to thank you all for bearing with me. And now, let us begin and unfold the various events awaiting.
Good evening, everyone. We are here to present some awards for the evening. These awards are for the stars of the year and some winners of the co-curricular activities that was organized in Olivia Kids.
It is the most interesting and the much awaited part of the program. Here all the kids who won throughout the year in different activities will be awarded by our eminent guests present here.
Okay, ma'am. Without wasting much of our time, let's start our award ceremony for the night, shall we?
Yes.
Okay. Before I call upon the name of the awardees, let me have the pleasure of calling our Honorable Director of Olivia Kids for the award ceremony. Please, ma'am. our first award for the night. That's the Star Student of the Year from nursery. And it's none other than Genia Hussain. Please, with a huge round of applause, a winner of our Star Student of the Year for the nursery.
হাততালি থামলে চলবে না আপনাদেরকে you all have to clap. Please put your hands together.
Thank you, Genia. Our next award, that is the Star Student of the Year for KG1. And it goes to none other than Tamagna Kundu. I'd like to request
Yes.
Miss Khushbu to please
Yes, sir,
escort the
I'm
lady.
here. Okay, please, Tamagun Kundu, wherever you are, please raise your hand. I request the parents, please wave hand at me. Tamagun Kundu from KG1, KG2, sorry. Where are you? Please wave your hand. I'm here, looking for you.
Tamagna Kundu.
I think, sir, we'll hand over the award very soon when he comes back to school.
He
We have
is
got
here.
him.
Tamagna Kundu is here.
Tamagna Kundu, winner of the Star Student of the Year from KG1. Let's
Congratulations,
have a huge
Tamagna.
round of applause for Tamagna Kundu.
Our next Star Student of the Year is from class KG2, Kunal Paul.
Kunal Paul, Star Student of the Year from KG2. Next award is very important one, and this award is the Well-Dressed Student of the Year. And this award goes to our very own Miss Bhumi Paul.
She is our own trendsetter and she graces our school posters. You must have seen her. Congratulations, Bhumi.
Thank you, sir. Now, to do the honor, I'd like to call Mr. Sives Bhaumik. Please, sir, I'd like to have your gracious presence on the stage. Mr. Sives Bhaumik. Let's have a huge round of applause for him. And sir will be presenting the award, and that award is the Star Speaker of the Assembly. Star Speaker of the Assembly. It goes to our Dristi Tirke. Let's have a huge round of claps.
The clapping
Claps
should
from
go
our
on.
parents. Your
Audience,
your
the
daughter,
clapping
your
should
son
go
is
on.
getting award there.
Awards for the next category is for the recitation competition. And from nursery, second position goes to Nishant Datta. Congratulations, Nishant.
Please, the clapping should go on.
The winner from class
Clapping should go on.
nursery
तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए.
goes to Raj Burman.
Raj Burman, Miss Khushbu, will you please escort the
Raj Burman, please, where you
ladies
are?
there?
Raj Burman is there.
जहाँ प्रयत्नों की ऊंचाई अधिक होती है, वहाँ नसीबों को भी झुकना पड़ता है. मेरे दोस्त, परिवर्तन से डरना और संघर्ष से कायरता मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी कायरता है. जीवन का सबसे बड़ा गुरु तो वक्त होता है, क्योंकि जो वक्त सिखाता है वो कोई नहीं सिखाता. Here we have Raj Burman.
Congratulations, Raj. Khushbu ma'am, please
Thank you,
escort
sir.
him back to his parents.
For the honor.
Thank you, sir.
Now we have the next award, and this is for the recitation competition from KZ1. For doing the honor, I'd like to call Mr. Mintu Mazumdar on the stage. Please, sir. We'd like to have your gracious presence on the stage. And our next award is for the recitation from KZ1, and the second position goes to Muqaddar Hussain. Thank you, Muqaddar. And the winner from KZ1 for the recitation competition is none other than Ayush Vaidya. Ayush Vaidya.
I request Ayush Vaidya. I'm here. So he is
Ayush
coming.
Vaidya. Please,
He's coming from the crowd, sir.
parents.
Clapping, please.
clap for
Ayush
Vaidya. Ayush Vaidya, winner of recitation competition 2016-17 for KZ1. Here comes Ayush Vaidya. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause. Ayush Vaidya, winner of recitation competition for KZ1.
Congratulations, Ayush. The second position from class KG2 goes to Rihanna Parveen. Congratulations, Rihanna. And the winner from class
Now I'd like to have the gracious presence of Mr. Chitra Mohan Singhu. Please, sir, we'd like to have your presence on the stage.
Can have the claps in between, please.
and the winner from class KG2 goes to Srija Sinha. She is a non-participant.
Srija Sinha.
Got her.
Yes, I'll definitely hunt for her. Where is she? I'm waiting.
Srija Sinha.
Srija Singha.
Srija's parents are requested to please help us find her.
She's coming, she's coming.
Here comes Srija.
Please
The
welcome
winner
her
for
with a huge
recitation.
round of clappings. Please, audience.
The winner for the recitation competition from class KG2. Congratulations, Srija.
Now we have the next category of the award, and this is for the storytelling competition. The storytelling competition 2016-17. Winner from KZ2. It's none other than Ashmit Ekka. Ashmit Ekka, please clap.
Congratulations, Ashmit. And the winner from class KG1 goes to Anushka Roy.
Anushka Roy, winner from KZ1.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I'd like to request Mr. Razu Nandi to grace the stage. Mr. Razu Nandi, Secretary, Sister Nivedita School, Bagdogra.
The next category for the award is for the dancing competition. And the second position from class KG1 goes to Sangvi Singhania.
Sanvi Singhania. Second position for the dance competition from KZ1. And the winner for the dance competition for KG1 goes to none other than Rayan Roy. Rayan Roy.
Can we hear a louder clap? He's the winner after all. The second position from class KG2 goes to Roshni Parveen. Congratulations, Roshni.
And the last, but not the least, the winner for the dance competition 2016-17 session from KZ2, it goes to none other than Anand Jaiswal. With a huge round of applause, please
please,
welcome
audience.
Anand Jaiswal, the winner of
Congratulations,
the dance
Anand.
competition for the session 2016-17 from class KZ2. Thank you, children.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
for all the winners here.
Please,
Show your
audience,
trophies to
let's
your
cheer it
parents,
for
all
them.
of them.
The winners, see your daughters and sons are there receiving the awards. The
They're
stars, the
excelling.
champs.
In their own ways, please cheer them up and boost up their confidence to perform much better next year.
Thank you, kids.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
My favorite teacher is Miss Sujata Chitri. I love my teacher very much because she takes care of me just like my mother.
So, this was Kunal Paul from KG2 saying something about his favorite teacher. Please, a huge round of applause, please. Next we have Roshni Parveen of KG2 saying something about school. Let's hear her now.
It is fun and loving to be in Olivia Kids. I love my school very much.
Thank you, Roshni. It was Roshni telling something about her school, Olivia Kids. Next, we move on to Somin Bhaumik of KG2. Let's see what he has to say about us.
I love to hear stories from my niece.
So he is saying he likes hearing two stories from his miss. A huge round of applause for Somin Bhaumik, please. Next we have two child conversing among themselves. First one is Somin Bhaumik of KG2 interacting with his friend Chitraki Modak of KG1. Let's see what they are talking about.
Thank you. My teacher taught me to say thank you after receiving any gift or chocolate. Thank you.
Thank you, Chitraki. That was really very sweet. She actually tells the meaning of school, where they learn small good habits which will carry forward with them throughout their lives. Thank you, Somin Bhaumik and Chitraki. Last but not the least, we have super cute Ryan Roy of KG1 in the bike. Please, sir. Thank you, Ryan. That was very sweet of you. But before moving away, I'd like to share a beautiful thought with you. Live your truth. Express your love. Share your enthusiasm. Take action towards your dreams. Walk your talk. Dance and sing to your music. Embrace your blessings. Make today worth remembering. Thank you, everyone.
I am the beginner of all events. People worship me. Om Ganeshaya Namah. Akankha Jaiswal as Ganesha. I am the conscience in the heart of all creatures. I am the beginning and the end. I am the king of deities, the incarnation of Lord Krishna. Priyanshu Sharma as Krishna. I am the messenger, the inspiration from God. I can give you all the goodness, purity, selflessness, and intelligence. I'm beautiful and wise. Laina Afsa as the angel. Love cannot remain by itself. It has no meaning. Love has to be put into action, and action is service. The Roman Catholic nun who devoted her life to the serving of the poor and the destitute around the world, a recipient of Nobel Peace Prize, Mother Teresa, Nandini Singha. Born as Manikarnika, the Queen of Maratha in the state of Jhansi. I am brave, desperate, and conquer my enemies. Priya Parveen as Lakshmi Bai. Father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand. I am the heart of every Indian. Today, you are independent because of us. Numan Raja as Gandhiji. I did not get an opportunity to die for the country, but I have got an opportunity to live for the country. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, the politician and the current Prime Minister of India, leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Salil Kumar as Narendra Modi. Simplicity is a different thing to achieve. One of the favorite quotes of the English comic actor, filmmaker and the composer. The man with a toothbrush mustache, bowler hat, bamboo cane and a funny walk. Common on us as Charlie Chaplin. Shivaji Rao Gaikwad, known by his stage name as Rajnikant, an Indian film actor working in the Tamil cinema, awardee of Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan to the contribution in arts. Sakil Ahmed as Rajnikant. Sultan,
With the huge clap.
Indian wrestler.
Welcome out, Sultan.
Favorite sport in India, the role played by the Bollywood star Salman Khan. And here it is, Aman Raza as Sultan.
That is Sultan. Come on. Clap. This is the Sultan. Come on, come on. Now make some good.
See them all together. A huge round of applause for the little children, please. आपके ही बच्चे हैं, बहुत प्यारे बच्चे. ये सिर्फ आपके बच्चे नहीं हैं, ये हमारे सबके बच्चे हैं. Here comes Charlie Chaplin.
Okay, so here. Okay, we have ma'am sitting here. Ma'am,
Parents are requested not to disperse, not to go. There are plenty surprises left for you. The function is still not over. আপনাদেরকে অনুরোধ করা হচ্ছে জায়গা ছেড়ে যাবেন না। আপনাদের জন্য আরো অনেক অনুষ্ঠান আমরা রেখেছি।
Jump, 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 put pizza, burger and lays. Jump, 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 put, throw them straight away. Jump, 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 put Maggie not every day. Jump, 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 put weekly once a day. Jump, 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 put not every day. Eat them every day. It includes veggies and fruits. Eat them every day. Eat healthy food. Eat them every day. To grow big and strong and to keep the diseases away.
Sometimes we can learn from our younger ones, teaching us the good food habits. The clap. I cannot hear the clap. Yes, louder. Parents, it's your kids. They're performing for you. They're doing so well for you. You can at least clap for them. Clubs in all aspects.
It is the school where a child learns to become a social being.
And in this respect, it is important that every child must take part into co-curricular activities.
Therefore, we now present to you a slideshow of various activities that the school encourages every student to take part in. So please, can we have the
Can we
slide?
have the slides, please? Welcome to the second home of your kids, Olivia.
Coming together is a beginning. साथ आना एक शुरुआत है. साथ रहना प्रोग्रेस है. लेकिन साथ काम करना सक्सेस यानी सफलता है. इसी मोटो को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे हमारे स्लाइड्स. Our school assembly.
A prayer purifies your soul, and the school assembly makes sure we start the day with a prayer, a thought for the day, news, and national anthem.
Our school also organizes some special assemblies during some special days. So when the children used to perform in front of the assembly, this provides them opportunity to come in front of the audience, come in front of the crowd and speak. This helps your wards, your children to develop their habits, develop their speaking ability, develop their energy to face the audience. We used to have the activities out there, different types of activities that the school used to organize. See, you can see on the slides how the students are performing.
The school encourages and hones every talent in its student. The storytelling competition, all these activities help them hone their talent to speak in the public without any fear. With the storytelling competition held recently, we tried to explore their creative skill and they had a fun time.
Students used to have fun in also school. Students don't come to school only to learn. students used to have some fun.
The toddlers are a dancing superstar. They love dancing and this is how they did it this time. This is Pratiksha Singh from class KG2. This is Bhumi Paul from KG1. Sangvi Singhania.
The school not only encourage them to learn, we also encourage them to take part in different activities. You can see your daughters, your sons dancing. Chitraki Modak, class KG1. You can say Rayan Roy, class KG1. Vaibhavi Talukdar from KG2.
Sukanya Paul, KG2.
स्कूल एक मंदिर है जहाँ पे सिर्फ बच्चे पढ़ाई करने नहीं आते, बच्चे हर वो चीज सीखते हैं जो एक बच्चा सीखना चाहता है. In school, the students don't learn only from the book. They learn mostly from their peers, from their friends. Kushmita Bhattarai, class KG2. Anand Jaiswal, KG2. Rosni Parveen from KG2. When these kids used to dance, it seems the God is with us. Our school also encouraged them for the rhymes and the storytelling competition, and it was held in our school. You can see some students, participants. Akash Dakra from class nursery. Nishant Datta from class nursery. Rhymes and storytelling. This is also one of the most important part of our schooling. We learn how to speak, how to narrate the story, how to sing, how to say the rhymes and etc. This is Devdwit Sarkar, class nursery. This is Siva Singha from class KG1. Gurkiran Singh, class KG1. You can see your sons and daughters on the screen. Mukaddar Hussain from KG1. Ayush Vaidya, KG1. We'd like to have a huge round of applause, huge round of a clap for the teachers who used to teach them. The school is a second home for the student, and our teachers are doing a fabulous job. So to all the teachers, please, audience, guardians, let's have a huge clap. But nobody is clapping. I think they are lacking the energy. I need तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Agraj Tiwari, class KG2. Rehana Parveen, class KG2.
Mahek Mahato from KG2. Anushka Roy from KG1. Sankalp Kumar from KG1. Ashmit Ekka, KG2. Ankit Sarkar, KG2.
दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. हवा के झोंके के जैसा आजाद रहना सीखो. तुम एक दरिया के जैसा लहरों में बहना सीखो. हर एक लम्हे से तुम मिलो, खोले बाहें अपनी. हर एक पल एक नया समा देखे ये निगाहें. जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. दिलों में तुम अपने बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. Thank you. Thank you for the presentation, sir. And please, let's have a huge round of applause for all the kids that you have seen on the screen.
This is how the school helps them participate in every activity. This is how the school hones the talent in each individual child. And please put your hands together for the teachers first and for all of them involved to bring up the talent in your child, in each individual child. Thank you.
इन सबको देख के आपको एक गीत याद नहीं आ रहा है? मैं गा के सुना। देखो इन्हें ये है होश के बूंदे, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई लेकर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक सी मोती हंसने फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। So let's not discourage the students. They are the stars from the heaven. Please, let's have a huge round of applause for all the kids. They are the stars of the night. They are the stars of the future. They are the stars of your home. They are the stars of the Olivia. So with this, we come to an end of our slideshow presentation. Thank you.
The next performance will be for presenting the diversity of India. There will be a folk dance. Please be seated.
So you got the opportunity, so wait for your luck. Thank you everyone.
everyone, clap.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान मेरा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान मेरा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन बलिदान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान मेरा
We reside in a diverse country, and through this performance, the children just showed us how we maintain unity in diversity. Thank you. A huge round of applause for all the kids here.
The diversity pervades on the whole of Indian subcontinent.
And we would like to take the pleasure to felicitate them. May I call upon the chairman of Olivia Enlightened English School, Mr. Tapul Ghosh, and the director of Olivia Kids, Mrs. Sutapa Nandi, to do the honor. Police, the backbone of the society. We are really grateful to you for your service to the society and the manner you create discipline and help the public. So, as a mark of respect, love and appreciation, we would like to invite you on stage. A huge round of
Huge
applause.
round of applause. All they are the reason why we stay safe at our homes. So huge round of applause for all of them.
Yes, they really deserve all of our claps and all of our respect. Really, thank you everyone, sir.
হাততালি কোথায়?
Come on everyone, please, let's give them a huge round of applause.
Pose for the photograph. We are really grateful to you, sir. And thank you for the presence.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Now on to the move to the lucky draw. Parents, the much awaited program for you. And I hand over this to Mr. Prashant and Ms. Aparna.
So we have been talking about a surprise right on it রয়েছে জানতে চান কি জেনেই গেছেন lucky draw. There's a lucky draw which we have kept for you all.
So good evening, everyone, once again. Now we are about to start our lucky draw. Let's see who will be our luckiest parent of the night. So, but before that, let us have the gracious presence of our Honorable Chairman, Olivia Enlightened English School, our Director, Olivia Kids, and the Principal, Olivia Kids, on the stage. Now we are about to start our lucky draw. We are having a bowl from where will be picking up one check. On that check will be written the name of the luckiest parent. We'll start from the first, that is for the nursery. Let's start. Miss, will you do the honor?
And the parents, if your name is there, please
Yeah,
raise your
we
hand.
know.
I'm there for you.
Now we're
I'll
about
bring
to
you
get
here.
first
The
winner.
first winner. And the name.
And the name.
And the name.
Parents of Rehan Roy.
Wow. Parents of Rehan Roy.
Parents of Rehan Roy, please,
We are awaiting his.
we'd like to have you on the stage.
He's the first
Today's-
lucky winner of the evening. Please put your hands together for the parents of Rehan Roy.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir. I'm here for your lucky present. I'll come there to fetch you. This way, sir. So we have the first winner of the night. So here they are, parents of Rehan Roy. Sorry.
Rehan Roy.
Princess
And his
Rehan Roy.
parent, the lucky parent of the night from nursery. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause. Everyone,
Come on, parents, a huge round of
I'd like to
applause.
request our principal, Ms. Sunita Rai, to do the honor. The reward for the luckiest parent of the night from class nursery. The parent of a cute son.
Rehan Roy.
Rehan Roy with his parents.
Come on, everyone, please clap for them.
So, wave your hand, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rehan.
Now we'll move on to KZ1. Let's see who will be the luckiest parent from KZ1. Please, can we have the board? Now, our director ma'am will do the honor of.
It is not so easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll do it more and more. So that I
Heartbeats
get the
are
lucky
going up,
person.
ma'am.
Let the suspense increase.
My heartbeat is going up. Really?
I'm just expecting the parents' present to be luckier.
This is why we told you, please be seated. We have something for you.
It's Sagufi Khatun, but I myself know the child has just left with the parents because her brother got ill. So we will go for the next, please.
No worries. It's another chance. We'll pick up once again.
KG1.
For KG1, once again. Okay, till then, the heartbeats are going up.
As I
Isn't it,
told
parents?
everyone, we will give to the person present. It is very important.
This is why the kids are always told the attendance is important. So the parents should know that the attendance is important as well. How important the attendance is.
Yes, miss. It is always important in school.
And now we'll have the second name from class KG1.
So,
And the name?
I showed the principal first. She should know. So, it's Chitraki Mother, class KG1, writing.
Chitraki.
of class KG2.
Chitraki
Sorry,
Modak.
KG1.
Sorry, ma'am.
The
Huge
second
round of
winner.
applause for them.
The second winner for this evening from KG2, Chitraki Modak's KG1. Modak's parents, Chitraki Modak's parents.
Please welcome them with a huge round of clappings. Please, everyone. The second winner of the night and luckiest person.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations to both of you. Now, now the last but not the least, we'll have the luckiest person of the night for KZ2. Shall we have the ball?
KG2
Now,
now.
to do
Please
the
get
honor,
up.
it's our chairman, Oliver Enlightened English School.
So let's have the lucky name, sir.
Rudra Adhikari, class KG2 chapter.
Okay, so it's Rudra Adhikari from KG2. Can we have the parents please show up your hands so that we can locate you?
Yes, please, Rudra Adhikari. Oh, here she comes.
Yes. Parent from KZ2.
We have Rudra himself here.
Yes, to take the award.
Come on, Talia.
Clap
Everyone,
it.
please. And I'd like to request our honorable chairman to do the honor. With a huge round of applause. See, we have the luckiest parent from KZ2. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations.
So with this, we come to an end of our lucky draw.
And we say, Agami Bachar, Amar, you do something much better than this. Please encourage us.
Yes, this was just a token of love from Olivia family to our parents. Once again, heartily congratulations to all the winners here and a positive hope to win next time for the non-winners. Yes? Thank you everyone.
And we hope to see you again next year.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक